talk about the fourth principle of a SMART goal, which is to be relevant. In order to be relevant, you have to consider your long-term goals and your short-term and intermediary goals. Consider improving 1% every single day and how that'll eventually get you to where you're trying to go. You can see that cumulative effect. If, for example, I wanted to improve my ASL receptive skills, that's a great goal. However, if I try to improve that goal by just listening to the news or listening to the radio or watching hearing people, speaking on TV, I could perhaps learn some great information, but they're not going to be relevant to my goals for self-improvement, for my receptive skills. I also realize that I haven't taken the opportunity to talk about my goal for this year. My long-term goal for this year is to have 4 million steps for this year. I want to make 4 million steps forward. I added up all of the days, the 366 days of this year, including February 29th, and divided it out. 4 million steps breaks down to 11,000 steps every day. 11,000 steps on a daily basis, as long as I keep up with that, will get me to my 4 million steps that I want to achieve by the end of the year. It's a great way to talk about not only having a long-term goal of being achievable, sorry about the dog. It's not just a matter of eating more healthy. If I don't make those literal steps, I can't hit my long-term goal for this year. When you're thinking about being relevant, your goal should consider the steps and making sure that they're in alignment with what your entire goal is long-term, or if they're not. Thanks for watching. See you next time.